Only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only need the love when you let it go. Only need the high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let it go. Hey, what's up? I'm going to show you how to play the chords for Let Her Go on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. Quick side note, I'm not going to teach you the intro melody. I will link to another video who does a good job of teaching it to you. So you're going to want to be in standard tuning and put your capo on the 7th fret. The chords you'll need are G, 3, 2, open, 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 3. Then you'll need F. Play it like this, open, open, 3, 2, 1, 1. Then you'll need A minor, open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. You'll need C, open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. Mute the top string. And lastly, you'll need E minor, open, 2, 2, open, open, open. You only need the light when you're burning low. Only miss the sun. Only know you love her when you let it go. When you're feeling low. Only hit the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let it go. Well, you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let it go. You only need the light when you're feeling low. Only hit the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let it go. Let her go. Staring at the bottom of your glass. Staring at the bottom of your glass. F, open one day. G, E minor, A minor, F, G, A minor, F, G, E minor, A minor, F, G, and you let it go. Whoa. And you let it go. Whoa. So that's A minor, F to G. Repeat that, A minor, F, G. So A minor. And then to get back into the interlude, F, G, E minor. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, no worries. Just replay this video. You'll get it.